afternoon, guys. I am your Mae Dalugdog, and today we will be discussing the normal flora of the human body. So, the normal flora, or the human microbiota, are the microorganisms that live on another living organisms or inanimate object without causing disease. The human body is not sterile, so that we became colonized by bacteria from the moment we are born. Microbes are ubiquitous in a phrase that has been repeated often, but many people do not realize how close to home it is. Microbes not only live all around us, but also on our bodies, on our skin, nose, and gut. Many are living with us side by side in a mutualistic relationship that benefits everyone. So, in this discussion, we will be going to explore those that live in harmony with us, at least temporarily. So, all human tissue which are directly or indirectly exposed to external surrounding have normal flora. Such tissue in human includes skin, in urinary tract, in respiratory tract, or in eyes and other parts of the body. So, internal organs such as blood, kidney, heart, lungs, brain are sterile in normal, healthy individuals. Therefore, if microorganism is found in these internal organs, it is referred to as disease condition. Healthy fetus in uterus is sterile. Child first gets its normal flora during birth by contact with vaginal flora of mother. After birth, additional microbial flora are established through the sources of food, water, and air. So normal flora have many examples, but I have here a few. Which number one, we have the skin flora. The example of skin flora, the most common is the Staphylococcus epidermidis and the Staphylococcus aureus. And this one, Propionibacterium acne. And we have also in gut, the most common normal flora we have is the Lactobacillus, and etc. We have also in the respiratory tract, which is the most common is the Streptococcus. And then we have example of normal flora also in the eye. So, continuous flow of tear over conjunctiva removes many microorganisms. Furthermore, tears consist lysozyme, which is antimicrobial agent. Therefore, very few microorganisms are found on our eyes. Some predominant microflora are the one that I said in the skin, the Staphylococcus epidermidis, the one in gut, and the one in eyes. So we have three different types of normal flora. We have the commensal microflora, the mutualistic microflora, and then the opportunistic microflora. So I have here the meaning or the function that they do at this different types of normal flora. So, the commensal microflora are organisms. These are microorganisms that gets benefit from human host and give neither benefits nor harmful effects to the host. On the other hand, the mutualistic microflora are the microorganism that gets benefit from host and at the same time give benefits to the host. And then the last type is the opportunistic microflora. These microorganisms under normal condition live as commensal on host's body, but they causes diseases if opportunity is available. And now we have the role of normal flora. Number 1 is to prevent attachment and penetration of pathogenic microorganisms. We all know that diseases and viruses that causes diseases are called pathogens. So I have here 7 beneficial role of normal flora. Number 1, as I have said, it prevents attachment and penetration of pathogenic microorganisms. So normal flora prevent attachment and penetration and other tissue as they occupy the area. And then we have it also compete with the pathogenic microorganism. They are competing with this pathogenic bacteria for food or for habitat. And then we have also the beneficial role that we have for the nutrition of the body. Normal flora produces antibiotics, antimicrobial chemicals that kills pathogenic microorganisms. For example, we have the cloycine in intestine of human that kills many pathogenic bacteria. Number 4, yes, of course, the immunity, the well-known, because normal flora are not harmful to the body. In fact, they give many benefits. So antibodies produced against normal flora can neutralize pathogenic microorganisms and prevent infection. Very good. And then produces enzymes and vitamins. So some internal intestinal normal flora produces useful substances for hosts, such as vitamins and digestive enzymes. And then helps in metabolism. Intestinal normal flora produces enzymes such as cellulose that helps in digestion of food. And it also helps in the digestion of food. So cellulose are examples of enzymes. And then oxidation, the last one, and the hydrolysis of steroids. Intestinal microflora also helps in metabolisms of steroids. For example, bacteria in intestine carry out oxidation and hydrolysis of steroid ring of biosphere. So that's all for this topic, for this discussion. Thank you very much for listening.